This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, Dr. Taj Firdausi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk to you something about the words that go together. And what are they? They are called the linking words together, and they should not be separated like either or, neither nor. So when you say either, it's the positive way of this or that. Either he is wrong or you are wrong. So either you or he is wrong. Either or. Neither you nor he is wrong. Both are right. Or neither he nor you are wrong. So whenever you say either or, neither nor, we have to use this one. You can't simply use a sentence, yesterday that man distributed everything and he didn't pay any attention to my words, nor he cared. There is no word nor. Neither should have nor. Thank you.